master the basics of system functionality. Ensuring your Athena De-Icing system is paired and ready for use. Step 1. Power on and pairing check. Turn both headsets on. If the green LEDs are flashing at 1-second intervals, they are paired and ready to use. If not, please refer to the system pairing instructions. Step 2. Microphone function test. With both headsets powered on, make sure the latch switches are in the live microphone position. Place one headset on your head and lightly scratch the microphone on the other headset. You should hear the sound clearly. Repeat this by swapping headsets and scratching again to confirm audio is being picked up in both directions. During this test, ensure the latch button actively turns the microphone on and off by pressing it when testing either headset. Note: if two people are available, each can wear a headset and speak to confirm two-way communication. Step 3. Volume control test. If you're testing alone, place one headset near a noise source such as a radio or mobile device playing music. Wear the second headset and check that you can hear the sound clearly. Use the volume control to confirm that audio can be increased and decreased smoothly. Once checked, swap the headsets and repeat the process to ensure both volume controls work correctly. Note: with two people, this test can also be carried out by speaking into one headset, while the other adjusts volume for clarity. Step 4. Range test. With one headset positioned near the noise source, wear the second and walk up to 100 meters line of sight. You should continue to hear clear, uninterrupted audio. Ensure there are no physical objects such as walls, vehicles, or dips in the ground between you and the other headset. Note: if two people are available, each can wear a headset and talk while walking apart to confirm consistent communication range.